Hi guys, John here. In this quick video, ituturo ko sa inyo ang 3 easy steps paano mag-register ng SIM gamit ang Globe, TM, or Home Prepaid Wi-Fi customers since SIM provider lang sila. Meron din ako video sa mga Smart or TNT customers. Just follow the link above. So, without further delay, simulan na natin. Puntahan na natin ang official SIM registration site ng Globe, newglobe.com.ph/simrig. I put the link below for reference. Makikita natin dito ang steps on how to register and frequently asked question kung may iba pa kayong mga katanungan. Under FAQ, ito nga pala yung official ID na pwedeng gamitin. So, to start, for step 1, enter your mobile number for verification. Then, click register. Verify your number. Makakatagap ka ng one-time PIN. After you receive, input your OTP. It will automatically loads up to check your details. We're now on step 2. Fill out the form. Please provide your SIM details. 2 sections ang fill upan natin, ang about yourself at saka saan ka nakatira. Siguraduhin ma-fill lahat, lalong-lalo na yung may asterisk kasi required yun. After ma-fill lahat, i-double check kung okay na. I-click lang ang next button below. Now, let's verify our identity. Let's now take a photo of our valid ID. Make sure to read these tips below for smoother process. Now, choose na natin yung ID na gagamitin natin. Take note, for minors below legal age and do not have government ID, kailangan mo ng consent from your parent or legal guardian. By the way, UMID yung gagamitin ko. Then, ilagay natin yung ID number. Now, let's upload or take a photo of our ID. Kung lalagpas sa 2 MB yung photo mo, pwede mong i-crop or pwede rin sa messenger, i-send mo tapos download. Liliit ang file size nito for sure. Then, re-upload. After that, let's take a photo of our selfie. Make sure it's clear. Then, click next to proceed. Tap the box if you agree with their terms and conditions. Also, for Data Privacy Act and Privacy Policy. Pero, wala kang choice kasi you can't proceed without agreeing to it. So, tap all lang natin. Then, click submit to continue. Now, congratulations! Our registration is complete. Please save the reference number for your future reference. You can screenshot it if you want. Now, we're done for step 3, registration completion. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps. Feel free to comment if you have any question and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. God bless.